Imagine sleeping at 12 o'clock in the night, waking up at 4 o'clock in the morning and feeling so refreshed as if you have returned from a 7-day meditation retreat. It seems impossible, but the truth is that with the right science, timing, and some simple hacks, you can improve the quality of your sleep so much that you get more energy even after sleeping less. Most people treat sleep like charging a phone. The more time, the more battery. But our body is not that simple. You must have noticed it too. Sometimes, even after sleeping for 9 hours, you feel like a zombie. The problem is that long sleep is not necessarily deep sleep. And the real game is to understand the architecture of sleep. So let's understand the sleep cycle. Sleep occurs in multiple stages. Stage 1 to 2 light sleep. This is the transition phase. Stage 3 to 4 deep sleep. Here body repair hormone is released. Stage 5 is REM sleep. Here dreams occur. Memory is consolidated. Each cycle is of about 90 minutes. If you wake up in the middle of deep sleep, you will be groggy, confused, and start craving coffee. But if you wake up at the end of the cycle, you will be fresh and alert. Now let's see how you can supercharge your sleep quality. If you want to sleep for less time, then every minute is enough. Cave mode, room, pitch black, no light, slightly cool 16 to 19 degrees Celsius and no noise, or use a white noise machine. Avoid blue light. Reduce the blue light of your phone and laptop 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. Use night mode or blue light filter glasses. Magnesium and allantoin. Magnesium glycinate helps the brain work. Muscles relax. Allantoin, which is present in green tea, reduces anxiety. Pre-sleep ritual, meditation, book reading, journaling, or binaural beats, something that signals the brain that now is the time to rest. If you try this hack, then write in the comment that sleep smart mode is on so that I know that you are serious. Now let's debunk the sleep myths that are fooling you. First of all, I definitely need 8 hours of sleep. Everyone's requirement is different. Focus on efficient sleep and not on long sleep. Second, people who take naps are lazy. Power naps, which are of 20 to 30 minutes, boost memory, focus, and energy. NASA also recommends it. Third, I'm a night owl. I can't sleep early. It's just a habit, not a gene. Circadian rhythm can be reset by light exposure and meal gaming. Now know this military-grade sleep trick by which you will fall asleep in 2 minutes. This technique is used by U.S. fighter pilots. Relax face, jaw, tongue, eyes. Drop shoulders and arms. Deep axle, relax chest. Relax legs from top to bottom. Blend the mind. Imagine you are in a boat on one leg. After this practice, you can fall asleep in 2 minutes. Earlier, I used to feel tired even after sleeping for 10 hours. Then I understood that it was the mind that was tired, not the body. Endless WhatsApp forwards at night, this last loop of reels, and comparing with others. All this was destroying the quality of sleep. When I did not consider sleep a waste of time, but as fuel for the brain, productivity skyrocketed. Better sleep equals better choices. Better choices equals better life. If you want to win the day, you will have to win the night. You do not need more sleep, but smart sleep. So from tonight, turn on sleep smart mode.